Hello, my name is Ivy. Today, or actually the other day, I bought some oyster mushrooms and I had this idea to make like buffalo chicken mushroom wings. I've never made anything like that before. I hardly ever fry, first of all. I was gonna try to make the recipe up in my head, but I decided to like loosely follow something. So I'm gonna do that, and I decided why not film it. So I am going to cook right here, but my battery's kind of dying, so I don't think I'm gonna be filming every single thing. But yeah, I guess I'll film like the more important parts. For example, I just cut the mushrooms. And I told Chris that I don't want to cut them too small since they're frying, they're gonna shrink. Like, I don't want it to just be all crisp, basically. And I made a joke that he gonna say that he all crisp, because his name is Chris. Yeah, so I think you put the batter on first, and then you fry it, and then you put the sauce. So we have a mixture of buffalo sauces right now, so I'm gonna mix them and do that because we've had this one for forever. I kind of forgot we had this because I ended up buying this one and I'm obsessed with it. I love eating it with like everything. And then just to also change up the flavor a little bit, we got this. Also, I'm gonna put this in the batter so it can taste good. Buffalo all the way around. And I guess regular toppings or like regular ingredients for batter, like all-purpose flour, oil, what else? Vegetable stock. Am I gonna have to make some? Onion, garlic, mustard powder, salt and pepper, vegan yogurt. I have vanilla yogurt. It might work. Yeah, so I'm excited to do this. Deep cast iron pot. Girl, I don't got no cast iron pot. I got my, what is that pan called? That fancy one that keeps selling out online. Yeah. The always pan. Yes. I'm gonna do that. So I'll check in with y'all step by step. So I'm starting the batter for it, and instead of veggie broth, what I'm gonna do is add some of this like chicken seasoning and a little bit of this umami. I'm also adding this to the batter, but I think I might have already said that, so I'm doing that. I'm gonna mix the dry ingredients, and then I'm gonna add some water instead of the veggie stock because I have this, and then some of the vegan yogurt. Since the yogurt that I have is vanilla, I'm gonna just do half and half, this and this. I feel like it should be fine, but we shall see. I don't know if you can hear me or anything because I just turned the fan on, but I finished the batter. I have mushrooms in there. I also have I guess the coating, and then I'm starting to heat up some oil. I know I should have a bigger pan, but I'm just gonna do like one at a time. I heard somebody before, they were saying like one hand for the wet ingredients and one hand for the dry ingredients, so that's how I'm gonna, I guess, keep things separate, and hopefully they come out good. So okay, so I've started to fry them. This is my little setup here. Let me see. Yeah, that's that. I've only tried these little guys so far, and they look like they're turning out good. Hopefully they taste good. Alright, so we got the sauce. The sauce. Most of our little mushrooms are fried over here. I ended up cutting some up because they seemed like really thick, so I had a lot that were like this size, so I just like ended up cutting them in half, and I had already dumped like the flour, so I only put this on it. But we have our last two frying, And Chris earlier had made me a coffee, but I got to it too late, so I made myself an iced coffee. Yeah. And Chris is watching Archer. But I'm so excited. We tasted a little mushroom cap that I had fried, and it actually tastes really good. I just preheated the oven so that we can put the things inside. Anyways, my camera's about to die, so hopefully I can film the rest of it in our taste test. So we're already in our room. I think I forgot to film a taste test. They were good. Very spicy. Like really spicy. Like I had to take a break spicy. Even his mom tried it and she said it was really good flavor. Spicy. Next time I would put it in the oven a little bit longer. But
smaller pieces.
Yeah, and I'll cut them in smaller pieces because it was kind of hard, especially the bigger pieces were kind of hard to eat. But overall, I think that was really good, really good. I will link the recipe that I used. Not that like I didn't really follow it, and I didn't even like fully read the directions. But that's like the recipe that I loosely followed. And then they have, I think on that same page there's like recipes for different other sauces. So like a gochujang sauce, and then a maple mustard wing sauce. So I'll link that. And yeah, la la. Okay, so I'ma just edit this little video. We're watching Doctor Strange. Random. But yeah, I don't know. I just felt like filming this video today, so I hope y'all enjoyed it. The food was really good. I would definitely make that again. Try to make it crunchier next time, and maybe a little less spicy so we can enjoy more of it. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.